I thought maybe I'd show my version of a dewalt portable bandsaw stand that works pretty good. All you have to do is pull it off, and of course you want to take the table off if you found it to be in your way, but it all just hooks right back up just like that. And moving away here. And all it is just a simple angle iron. Slides in the slot, pulls in. You know, it might move a little bit here like this, but actually when I'm using it, I don't even notice because you're just kind of pushing and into the blade anyway. So turn it off and on, and works like a champ.